Hey everyone, I'm Liam and welcome back to Trend Talk Media.
And I'm Sophie. Today we are diving into something that sounds a little bit like science fiction. Managing an entire army of AI bots?
Exactly. It's a new, ambitious plan from Microsoft that could completely change what we think of as a workforce. And here on Trend Talk Media, we break down these big shifts to see what they really mean. So, Microsoft's big vision is a future where companies are managing armies of AI agents just like they manage human employees.
Wait, when you say coworker, you don't mean a physical robot walking around the office, right?
No, not at all. We're talking about digital workers, AI agents inside a company's systems that can handle entire workflows. Microsoft sees this as the very near future of work.
Okay, but is this a real thing companies are seriously considering right now, or is this just some futuristic concept for 10 years down the line? Well, that's the thing. It's not just an idea anymore. This is a massive leap that they believe is already happening.
Microsoft has already built the platform to make this happen. It's a tool designed to treat AI agents as a new kind of workforce you can hire, manage, and even secure.
And they're really calling it an army of bots? That language is pretty intense. It sounds like they want you to manage software the same way you'd manage a new team of people.
Pretty much. And to manage this bot army, you need a manager. That brings us to the tool at the very heart of Microsoft's strategy. The tool is called Agent 365. And the key thing to understand is that it's not for building AI bots. It's a platform for managing them.
Okay, so it's basically an HR department for bots? A central place to oversee your entire digital workforce?
That is the perfect analogy. And this is a peek at the dashboard. It gives a human manager a single view of all the AI agents active in the company.
Wow. So you can literally see how many bots are working, what tasks they're on, everything in real time?
Exactly. It's a supervisor's screen, but for algorithms. It gets incredibly detailed, which really confirms your HR for bots analogy. It organizes every agent, gives them a unique ID number, tracks performance, and controls security permissions.
So it's like giving your software an employee ID and then doing performance reviews on it? And it's not just from Microsoft's own bots, it can manage them from anywhere?
Right. It's designed to be a central command for any AI agent a company uses.
But managing the bots is one thing. The part that's truly hard to wrap your head around is the sheer scale of Microsoft's vision.
You mean we're not just talking about a few dozen AI helpers sorting emails?
Not even close. We're talking about a 1 million bot army.
That's a direct quote from Charles Lamanna, a corporate vice president at Microsoft. He was talking about a typical large company, one with about 100,000 human employees.
And he thinks they'll use 500,000 to 1 million AI agents for one company? That's a lot.
1 million. Just let that number sink in for a second.
I mean, what on earth would 1 million bots even be doing all day?
That's potentially 10 AI agents for every single human employee. And according to Microsoft, the tasks would range from simple things like organizing your inbox all the way up to running the entire procurement process for a global business.
A whole procurement process? That's a huge amount of trust to put in software.
It is. But this isn't just a plan they're selling to customers.
They claim they are already using millions of these agents inside Microsoft right now.
Get out. So they're already living in this future they're trying to sell to everyone else? They're practicing what they preach.
Okay, this all sounds slick and futuristic, but we have to get real. We all know AI can be unpredictable. What are the practical dangers of unleashing 1 million bots inside a company's sensitive network? And that's the critical question. The risks are very real. Without tight control, you could have massive security breaches. One of the biggest dangers is something called a prompt injection attack.
Okay, what is that in simple terms?
It's when an attacker hides malicious commands inside a normal-looking document. When the AI agent processes it, it gets hijacked and can be forced to do things like leak sensitive company data.
And this really highlights the huge gap between the promise and today's reality. On one hand, you have this vision of an AI that can run an entire company department.
But on the other hand, when it was actually tested, it couldn't even handle a simple task like shopping online for a birthday gift. That's not great.
Exactly. In fact, the technology was described by testers as buggy at best.
So that's the billion-dollar question, right? How can a company trust 1 million of these agents with sensitive financial data if they can't even buy a gift online without messing up?
And that's where we are now.
caught between these huge, seemingly inevitable claims about the future of work and the messy, buggy reality of the technology we have today.
So, is this really our future? Or is it just hype?
Well, Microsoft's position is very clear. Their executive, Charles Lamanna, argues that fighting this change is pointless. He compares it to companies in the 90s that resisted giving employees internet access.
That's a powerful point. I mean, he's obviously selling a product, but nobody would dream of running a business without the internet today.
And they believe this future is right around the corner. Microsoft is officially predicting that 2025 is the year of agents, with even more coming in 2026.
So this isn't a 10 years from now future. According to them, it's happening, like, next year. Wow.
Which leaves us with the final question, not for businesses, but for you, for everyone watching.
Looking at your own daily tasks and your own career, is your job ready for an AI agent? It's definitely something we'll all have to think about, and probably sooner than we realize.
Let us know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Trend Talk Media for more.